Her nails, it's doggy. Yeah. You're so cute, you know you hiccup and you burp, poop and farting all over everybody. Why are you looking at me so judgmental? Huh? She's looking at my scruffs again, I'm telling you. And now she doesn't like them.
Because they hurt.
She doesn't think
they do. Honey, her skin is so sensitive.
It's her favorite position. She likes it. She liked it. She likes it. Yeah. She looks a little comatose by that one.
Oh. I hope the camera's picking up the hiccup sound.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
So this is Zoe. Tomorrow is her 1-month-old birthday. She just got done breastfeeding, so she's a little hiccupy. And she's a little contented. And as you can see, she probably wants to take a nap. Breast milk makes her very tired and nappy. And this is the Zoomy. And then if we go like this, and then we go like this, we can get all three of us in the shot. How do we get all three of us in the shot? Wait, I'm a little goofy right now. There we go.
There's the family.
Oh wait, what am I doing wrong? There.
There you
Hello. Say hi. Oh.
I better hold it like
Say
this.
Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, it's just something around.
There you have it. It's a very cold day today. Today's December 9th. And today was the coldest December 9th ever on history. I think the low was 18. What's the temperature outside right now, sweetie?
Oh, it's 33.
It's 33 outside.
It's a whopping 1 degree above freezing.
We're not going to go outside, but we're sitting at one of our favorite places. This is called Golden Gardens Park. And unfortunately, you can't really see the mountains because of the glare, but there's mountains on the other side of the water. This is Puget Sound, or at least part of it, and we're sitting here in the car just enjoying the sunshine and watching the boats go by and playing with our little daughter. So Daddy,
I have to say something.
Do you have anything to say?
I don't have much to say.
No?
So how cute is she?
She's cute.
Yeah.
All right, Zoe, do you have anything, last words to say before I... Aww.
The last words were...
Okay, bye Zoe.
Bye. Wave goodbye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. So long.